Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, sum and product of digits in n. The code is a simple program that checks whether the given number is a special number or not. A special number is one whose sum of digits and product of digits when added together gives back the original number. The first line declares an integer variable n to store the input value. The second line reads in the input from the user and stores it in n using scanf. Next, two more integer variables are declared, sum and p, which will be used to calculate the sum and product of digits respectively. Then, another integer variable t is declared, which will be used as a temporary variable for storing values during calculations. It has been initialized with n so that we can use its value later without changing n's value. A while loop has been set up which runs until t becomes 0. This loop calculates both sum and product by taking each digit from right to left, using modulus operator, starting from units place till all digits have been processed, by dividing by 10. Inside this loop, there are three statements: sum plus equals, t%10, adds last digit to current value of sum p asterisk equals, t%10, multiplies last digit with current value of p t/equals 10, removes last digit. After this loop ends, we have calculated both sum and product successfully. Now comes an if-else statement where we check if our condition holds true or not, i.e., whether sum plus p equals n or not. If it does hold true, then print yes, else print no. Finally, return 0 indicates successful execution of code. Some important programming concepts demonstrated here include: 1. Variables. The concept of variables has been used extensively throughout this code. They are named memory locations that can store data temporarily during program execution. 2. Data types. In C language, every variable must have a specific data type associated with it, such as int for integers. The code takes an integer as input and checks if the sum of its digits and the product of its digits is equal to the original number, and prints yes if it is, or no if it isn't. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.